1968 Chevrolet Chevelle. This was a locally owned car. Per paperwork, previous owner determined it was only a two-owner. He was the second owner to this car. This car had a frame-off restoration per his description, with receipts totaling in around $50,000. You can see the body lines are extremely straight, trunk lines. He even had the Emmerich Chevrolet sticker saved. That's Emmerich Chevrolet of Richmond, Virginia, because this was a local Richmond, Chesterfield area car its whole life. Quarter panels are perfect, trim is perfect. American racing wheels, BF Goodrich tires. He said a few thousand miles since the restoration. Disc brakes. This is a big block car with a fully rebuilt 454. It's not a matching numbers motor. Does have the horseshoe shifter, clean leather. The interior is kept very original other than the tack. A couple gauges down low. It does have an aftermarket radio that's tucked away with an amp and a sub, but he did not cut the factory radio out. It's a remote control for it. Two little blemishes to this car. One is right here. Looks way worse in this video actually than seeing it in person, but would rather you see it than not. Easy fix, but it is there. And two little rock nicks right there on the side that have been touched up. This is a nut and bolt restoration. The car was completely disassembled. Per his description, it was a very solid car originally. Again, we didn't see the car, but we can see what's been done currently. Runs out well. The motor's built, he thought, to make about 500 horsepower, but it's not rowdy. It runs and idles and does everything it's supposed to do. Does not run hot. The dash pad was told to be completely original in this car. One of the few things that was not replaced. I hope this video will give you a good idea of this car. It's been sitting in the garage here for about 2 days and no leaks, no drips. Power steering, power brakes. Very clean car. Pictures are on the website, pricing, and a few more details that I may have left out. It does have a positive traction rear, and I think he said the gear ratio was 355. Call if you got any questions or jump on the website anytime.